What's up, tubers? Ted with TP Tech, bringing you another video. Today we're going to be making hot dog with chili. I got a special recipe that I use to make chili, and I want to show it to you and share it with you this morning, today, whatever time you're watching this. But anyway, let's get started. I'm going to show you some of the ingredients that's very crucial to in this video. So let's get started here. Okay, let's show you some of the ingredients that I'm going to be using today. I went to Kroger's and got 2 pounds of ground beef. We're only going to be using half of it, 1 pound. And this is my main ingredient, the manwich that I use mixed with this ground beef after I brown it. That is the key to great hot dogs. I normally use original or bowl, but I normally use the original. I just got that because it was on sale. And this is very important. The ballpark buns, I like fresh buns, and I just happen to like ballpark. You can get whatever brand you want, but if you want this recipe to taste like I'm telling you, this is what you use. And another most important ingredient is the beef franks, and they must be ballpark or whatever quality beef frank, not no junk. Makes a big difference in you. So these few ingredients right here is going to make all the difference in the world of how this hot dog tastes. So let's get started. Before we get started in any cooking, we definitely want to wash our hands. So make sure you clean in the kitchen. There's nothing worse than dirty cook. All right, now we got our hands clean. What I want to do is break this up, small pieces. I want to brown it. I don't want to see no red when I'm through here. That's when I know it's brown. I'm not trying to cook no hamburger, so I'm going to keep this stirred. I guess I better get a little stick thing here so I scratch that pan up. There we go. That's much better. I got the temperature on high here. Bring this on. Let me turn it down a little. Let it simmer a little bit. Let me switch iron. This iron do better. Getting the wind is the ball here. And I'll be good to go. Quick and easy meal. Well, that concludes how to make chili dogs and the chili the way I make it. Try it this way and I guarantee you will love it. Oh, that is so good. Ain't nothing like them ballpark franks in that chili. Oh, mula machito rito. Make you speak in Italian.